What is the laziest way for beginners to make money online using AI? This is one of the most asked questions I have gotten. And honestly, who doesn't want to make good money online with minimal effort or whilst having the freedom to work from anywhere in the world? Nobody wants another full-time job, do you? So I spent few weeks researching the most popular AI business that you can start as a beginner. And in this video, I'm ranking 7 of them for beginners who want to make money online using AI. And I'm going to be ranking them from laziest to the one that requires a little more effort. And for every single one, I will score it based on how fast you can learn it, how much work AI actually does, startup costs, competition, and whether I recommend it. Hi neighbor, if you're just seeing my face, my name is Mfon. On this channel, I make videos that will help you create income opportunities online. If this is something you're interested in, kindly hit the subscribe button and make sure to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any content on the channel. Let's begin. Number 1 is AI content repurposing. On this channel, I have been preaching the gospel of this high income skill, and I hope that you've started acting on it, because this is number 1 on our list, though is not in any particular order, but AI content repurposing definitely earns its place on this list. Now, creators just like myself spend hours creating videos, podcasts, live streams. But here's the problem. They don't have time to repurpose this content on TikTok or YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels. And as you know, in case you don't know, please know now, attention is the most valuable currency right now. And people like you are solving this problem for creators, for YouTubers, for live streamers, for podcasters. Now, here is how you can get started. All you need to do is to go to a tool called Opus Clip. I'm going to put the text on the screen. Get the link of the long form content. Let's use YouTube for example, and you want to paste the link there on Opus Clip, and it will generate moments from that long form content that you can post or that the creator can post on Instagram or TikTok. And your job is simply to review it, post, and improve on it. This is actually one of the services I teach in DNA, Digital Neighbor Academy, my program. If you want to join, the link is in the description and the pinned comment. Now, let's talk about the scores. So for learning curve, this will take you like 2 to 3 days to learn it. It can even take you a day to learn it. I promise you, it's not complicated at all. When it comes to how much work AI does, it's obviously 90%. The startup cost is low here. The competition is quite high, but because people are actually catching on this, I've been saying this like since forever, and you've not done anything about it. Go now. It doesn't matter whether it's high or not. Go to it. Now for the income potential. The income potential here is medium. Would I recommend content repurposing? I have been recommending it, so you obviously know the answer, yes. If you want your first income online quickly as possible, this is it. But don't stop here. If editing is not your thing, the next one pays even more, and it's probably one of the hottest AI businesses on the internet right now. Take it from me. And what's that? AI influencer. Instead of becoming the influencer, you create one. You create consistent images, turn it into a video, build an audience, and monetize through affiliate marketing, your own products, digital products, UGC, sponsorships. I am so obsessed with AI content creation. Like, it's mind-blowing what you can do with AI and how much you can make with AI. It's insane. And I created a whole system on this. If you want to know how to create consistent images, create videos, UGC videos, animation, short films, all of those things you see online and you're like, how are people doing this? I cover the whole system. The link is in the description and the pinned comment. I even created a full video as well, right, on how you can create this for free. That video, I'll link it in the description. You want to click that video and watch it, and I'll also keep the link somewhere here. So if you'd like to join my AI income community, you want to make sure to get that entire course, that entire system, so you can join the community. Amazing things are happening in there. Now for this course, when it comes to learning curve, I give this 2 to 6 weeks. What AI has to do for you, 75% of it, obviously, but you still need your brain for the prompts and all. Competition here is low at the moment. Income potential is very, very high. And guess what? Is beginner friendly. Mfon, do you recommend this? Yes, but you must be willing to stay consistent. Okay, don't just start today and then you're trying to create an image and it's not looking like what you want and you give up. This is not for, we're not quitters around here, okay? Now, maybe content creation isn't your thing, and whether with AI, no AI, I'm still struggling with content creation. The next one is for you. AI ghostwriting. Businesses, thought leaders, creators all need content, and you can use Claude projects and build an AI assistant for each of your clients. It doesn't matter if this one is a creator, one is a business owner, one is a professional. With Claude project, you can use AI to create an AI assistant just for them. All you need to do, client A, client B, client C. Okay, this is the content we're writing for client A today. You go to where client A project is. I created an entire this channel has all you need to create income opportunities for yourself. But my question to you is, will you sit down and watch the videos? Will you? If you're still watching to this point, neighbor, I need you to drop a comment for me telling me where you're watching this video from. This is really going to help me know that, oh, my neighbor got here, and trust me to respond to that comment. Okay, thank you so much, and like this video if you're yet to, so it can reach a wider audience. Subscribe to the channel as well. This keeps me motivated to keep rolling out amazing content just like this one that you are watching. Thank you so much. So I have a video on the channel that can teach you how to create projects inside Claude. All you want to do here is to upload their past posts. That can be a newsletter, a video, a podcast, interviews, whatever it is. Why are you doing this? Because we need Claude to start sounding like them. Now, another AI tool you can use here, you can use Perplexity for research, you use Claude to write, you edit, and deliver. Now let's head to the scoreboard. When it comes to learning curve, I will give this 1 to 2 weeks. Yeah, but the work AI has to do, 80%. Competition is quite a medium. Startup cost is very, very low. Income potential, very high, because people want to be seen as thought leaders, especially on LinkedIn. And this is a market that is yet to be saturated and is beginner friendly. Would I recommend this? Yes, especially if you enjoy writing. You want to take this on. But maybe you don't want to write, you would rather build, which takes me to the next one, which is AI landing pages. This is one of my favorites because businesses need landing pages. Course creators, coaches, consultants, local businesses. Today, AI builders like Claude, Lovable, Framer AI. So your job becomes understanding the offer, making the page convert, and delivering it. This is something I have actually used myself. I use Claude to build my landing page. Now, when it comes to learning curve for this, I'm going to give this 2 to 4 weeks. What AI gets to do, 80% of the job, competition is medium, startup cost is low, income potential is quite high, and this is beginner friendly as well. Will I recommend this? Yes, very underrated. Now to the one where businesses pay serious money, AI automation, because who likes manual work? Here, you're going to be helping businesses save time. I always say this, that any skill you're learning has to help someone or a business, a brand, save time, make more money, or grow on social media, be more visible. If the skill is not doing one or any of these things, or well, dump that skill. With AI automation, you're going to be helping businesses set up automations with tools like Zapier. Every time someone fills a form, Zapier automatically creates a Google Sheet, sends them a welcome email. Nobody wants to do repetitive admin work, so businesses will be really happy to pay you for this. I cover how you can run basic automation for businesses. The link to the video is going to be in the description, or I'll leave the link somewhere here if I remember. If you don't see it here, check the description, you're going to find it. Now, when it comes to AI automation learning curve, I will give this 1 to 2 months. What AI actually does for you, or the work AI actually gets to do, is 85%. Competition is low because people don't have patience to learn automation. Startup cost is low. Income potential at a very high. This is beginner friendly as well, because here you don't need to learn coding, any complexity. No. Now let's move to the hardest one on the list, but probably the highest pay. I had said in automation that businesses are going to pay you serious money. This is probably one of the highest paying AI skills right now. And it's AI app building. A few years ago, building software meant learning how to code. Today, you describe what you want and AI will build it for you. It's called vibe coding. Using tools like Claude, again, Lovable, you can build internal tools, you can build dashboards, you can build calculators, you can build client portals, you can build booking systems. And the most exciting part is you don't have to be a traditional developer. Businesses will pay thousands for custom solutions like this. Now, let's go to the scoreboard. When it comes to learning curve, I will give this 2 to 3 months. The amount of work AI gets to do, 80%. Competition is very low. Startup cost is medium. Income potential at the extremely high. Beginner friendly, I'm gonna give it 2 stars. Yes. Now, if you like this video, you are definitely going to love this one. So you want to watch this video next. This is the video you should click now and watch next. And as always, have a lovely day, have a lovely week, have a lovely month. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in this video next. Bye, neighbor.